Now that clients are wearing face masks to their appointments, it makes it harder to tape down the bottom lashes without the gel pad riding up on the face mask. So in this video, we're going to show you the step-by-step for taping down the bottom lashes when your client has a face mask on. With this method, you won't feel your client's breath on your fingers while you're lashing anymore, and it also prevents too much humidity going into the eyelash extensions. So first things first, I take the stickiest tape that I have. I'll include the link to this tape that I have in the description box below. But for this one, it's pretty sticky, so I actually detack it once on my wrist before I tape it down. And then I just split the tape into two pieces. So one piece on the right side, another piece on the left side. And then once I'm done, I just give it a little pressure to make sure that this tape stays in place. So for the gel pads, I like to make two small slits at the bottom of the gel pad, just with scissors. And what this does is just makes the gel pad more flexible and easier to readjust when it starts riding up from the face mask. So I'm just going to place the gel pad down. I use my middle finger to kind of adjust the bottom lash line to open up the eyes. And then you can ask your clients to close their eyes to help you place the gel pad. Now I'm just gonna do the other side here. Again, I use my middle finger to push the bottom lash line down to open it up. And then ask the client to close their eyes. And then here, I'm actually just preparing my next care tape. The next care tape is my favorite because it's pain-free removal. So the next care tape, I just use it for the outer corners to secure any lashes that I might have missed. Again, I use my finger to push the bottom lash line to open it up and then secure the tape there. And one more time on the left side and secure it. And then finally, I just use a spoolie to check the lashes to make sure that the canvas is good and the surface is flat enough for me to lash on. If not, I just readjust the gel pad. It should be pretty easy to readjust when you have the two slits at the bottom. And that's it, super simple and easy.